Hi mates, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Messenger story not showing. And actually, trust me, there's nothing complicated. Just make sure you follow all the steps all the way to the end to learn how to do it. And let's don't waste any more of your time. Let me show you how. At first, when you're on your Messenger, just click on your profile picture on the left top side here. And now scroll down till you find story here. As you can see, we have here a couple of settings like who can see your story. We can make it public, we can make it friends only, we can choose custom. So the problem here is if someone doesn't see your story, maybe it's because you customize you enable custom the settings, and maybe you just select who can see your story, and the other friends who is not checked on, they won't be able to see your Messenger story. Or maybe you just click on hide story from, and if there are some people, just you can check it off like this. Cancel, apply, yeah. So make sure you enable friends only, or for more sure make it public. Then everyone who is not your friend, even your friends, will be able to see your stories. So that's it. That's how to that's how to fix Messenger story not showing. Just click on save, and that's it. If you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also don't hesitate to leave your problems, to leave your questions down below the video, and I will try to respond in a few days if I can. See you next video. Bye.